Guys, Bitcoin Kid here. Alrighty, today is December 29, 2021, almost a new year. Just kind of want to show you my update right now. So here we go. We've got my GPU miner. We're mining Ethereum. I got my three 1660 Super graphics cards. I just got my last one. I got this on eBay. This was not, these three are brand new. Bought them all brand new. This one is not brand new, but the guy said it was like an open box. I mean, it came with the box and everything. All the stickers were on it. So it looked pretty new. I mean, it seemed pretty legit. He said he just used it just to test and decided not to use it anymore. So let's open this one up. So again, it was already like opened already, but it still has like the plastics on it. So we're hoping that this is going to be good. So we're going to test this one out. Let's take a look at this one. One second, guys. Okay, so we got this one going on here. Let's take a look. I mean, it had all the plastics and everything on it, so that's kind of why I decided to buy it. But who knows? You know, I could have left the plastics on it for like a year, started mining. Anyway, it seemed like a pretty legit guy on eBay. He had like a computer store. But anyways, I mean, I got a little bit cheaper. You know, most of the time I've been paying like $640, you know, with tax and everything. This one I got for like $579, and it was in Florida, so I kind of got it the next day. It was kind of cool. So, anyways, we're gonna install this one. Let's put this one kind of back here for a second. We got to put the risers on, and let's go over here. So we got our riser kits here. I'm running out of these. Actually, I need this too. So we're going to, sorry about this. Okay, we're going to have to connect this on here. And then, let me see if I can, kind of doing this without one of these power things. But, we're going to connect these cables on here. This is the riser. We're going to connect, I don't think we're connecting this one. We're going to connect this to here and to the back of the graphics card, and then we got to use some of the splitter over here. But I'll get it all set up, and then, you know, just to show you kind of where we're at. All right, guys, stay tuned. Okay, so one of the first steps is you know, you want to connect your we got your monitor cable here. I have it connected to here. I have my mouse connected, so that's connected straight to the one of the graphics cards. Mouse is connected to the motherboard. You want to shut it down completely. It did give me an update and shut down option only, so I did have to restart it. So now it should be shut down, and we'll see. Normally in a couple of seconds that'll shut down. Then we connected the just kind of show you here. We connected the riser. You're gonna see these little pins here. I kind of just snapped it in down in the bottom here. You kind of see these. There's like a little connector right here that you have to pop out. Let me see if I can just pop it out real quick to show you guys again. That little thing pops out. Sorry about this, guys. Let me see if I can give you a better view. Okay, so this basically right here, you'll see it just kind of easily pops out. So this is the part. This is usually clipped in like this. You want to open this up, okay? And then this came with like a little plastic piece. So I guess that was like a little protector for the transit. So I was wondering, I was like, what's going on? So this thing just popped out like this. And you want to match up. See how this little groove right here and this groove? You want to click this in this way. Okay, there's really only one. Actually, let's make sure I'm clipping in right. Make sure I'm not breaking this. This should clip in this way, right? Careful. There you go. Okay. Once it's clipped in, then you want to kind of slide that to lock it in place. Make sure I lock that in place. Okay. It's locked in place. Okay. We'll move on to the next step. The computer's shut down, so let's put this to the side. Now, what you want to do, the next step is shut down the power. Computer's off. You see everything's off now. Fans are off. disconnect the power, okay? And then the next step, you want to see if there's any juice left in here. So you want to click the power button, okay, a couple times. So there's nothing left. You would see something come on. It's off. Now you can disconnect your power, okay? And again, make sure there's no juice. Okay, so everything's off. Everything's off completely. Okay, now we're gonna go to the next step. I do have to do a little rearranging here. Sorry about this. I'm just kind of cold in this. Now I'm kind of running out of space here. I'm gonna have to move some of these over, but I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna do it, and I'll show you how I moved it over. All right, guys, stay tuned. Okay, so now we got a little cable management. Just kind of want to show you. We took this power supply, one of these right here that's connected to the power supply. Okay, these are two rubber band up, but I have two more left. So we took this one, which was right here. Okay, and then we took that long splitter that we had, and we snapped it right into here. Okay, so let this part hang out here. And then now, we're almost done. We're going to take this little PCI slot right here. Okay, this comes with the riser kit. And we're now going to, sorry about this. We're now going to plug this one in right down here. Now make sure you plug this in the right way. Sorry. Plug this in. See, you got 6 different PCI slots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So we already used this one, this one, this one. So the next one is right here. Okay, so just be careful. It's going to go in this way. And you're just going to slide this in like that. Okay? Cool. So now we're going to take our cable and we're going to untangle this USB cable. And now, let's see if I can do all this with one hand. We're now going to take our graphics card, which we're going to mount. Let's see. I'm going to mount this one like right over here. But let's see if we can get our cables. Yeah, crazy. Let's see if we can put this USB cable. Sorry about this. The flash off. What's going on here? Sorry. It's a little difficult. Wish I had a GoPro. But we're going to, let's just get this cable under here. Let's just plug this in here real quick. So that's kind of plugged in. Okay, and then we're going to go under here. Let's see if we can get under here. And then we're going to bring this back this way. I don't know if that was the right way to do that. Let me see if we can. You gotta watch out because I don't know if let me pop this out again. Let me redo this. This cable's all tangled up. Alright. Let's see. Let's run it through this way. Okay, let's plug it back in again. Oh, wrong way. Careful you don't damage those. Okay, there we go. Now we got our cable this way. And now we're gonna plug this into we're gonna plug that into the graphics card. But let's get the graphics card set up this way. Let's mount it right here so we don't mess it up. And then should have room for 2 more spots right here. I might have to do a little more management. So let's get one more of these little handy dandy bolts. Sorry about this. Need to get a GoPro next time, right? Going all crazy here. Gonna use one of these little bolts here. I don't want to put the flash on, but let's see. Let me tighten this down. I'll get right back. Okay, so we get that tight in. Okay, so now we're gonna take this part of the splitter and plug it right into here. See this part here on the graphics card? Alright, make sure it clicks in. Okay, which it did. Now this side, you can kind of see down under here on the riser, can't really see it because this thing's kind of covering it, but underneath the riser, on the graphics card on the riser, there's kind of looks like this orange here. Let me see if you can see that. Right here. On this side right here, see? But it's on this side. Alright, so I'm gonna have to get down there. 1 second. I'm gonna disconnect this graphics card here, but I'm gonna show you that one of these, because there's only 4 pins on the 6 pins, and this is 8 pins. You're gonna loosen one up like that, okay? And then I'm gonna show you where to connect it. Okay, so I basically connected it right here. If you can see this part right here, and then we have the little loose wire hanging out. All right, now I'm gonna put it all back together. Okay, and the last step was actually to plug in this red cable USB right down in there. Okay, that was it. Okay, so you got your USB, you got these 2 plugs here, one here, one at the bottom over here. Get your connection in the PC riser. Okay, everything's pretty much set up. I mean, that's pretty much it. Because usually on the usually if you use different graphics cards, like different series, like 1660s or 2060s, you have to set up on the NVIDIA side that you're programming to find the hardware. But since I'm already using the same 1660 series, it doesn't matter if it's different name brands. Like you can see, this one's like a double fan one, so this is from Asus, I believe. It should basically be it should find it by itself. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do that. Let's now, everything's, again, there's no power. That's good. We're gonna plug everything back in now. So let's go ahead, let's get our power plugged in. Okay, very important, do these steps because you don't want to fry your PC. Okay, so we got power in there. Okay, we just, we can actually, we should have disconnected all this stuff, but I guess it doesn't matter. But anyways, it's always good to just leave everything out. Okay, let's plug this in here. Oops. Okay, and then let's just I guess we can just plug this. Well, let's just turn it on. Turn the power on. Okay, got a little juice there. Alrighty, and now let's go ahead and use the power button right here we have connected. There we go. Oh wow, look, everything's working nice. Okay, everything's coming on. So let's go ahead and plug in our, 1 second. Let's plug in our monitor. Okay, plug in our little mouse. Right, we got our Wi-Fi cable here. Let's move this around here. This around here. Okay. And we should, a couple seconds, we should see on the computer, but everything looks like it's loading up. Let's get the TV back on the monitor 1 second. Okay, so here we got it. We should be back online. Everything looks pretty good. I'll probably switch over. I'm going to show you another thing we have to do on the phone app about the power source, but stay tuned. All right, guys. Next thing we have to do is click on the NiceHash account. Let's get in here. Okay, we're back in. And now let's take a look at this. Sometimes this will say like offline, but it's not always the case. Okay, so now let's go to rig devices. Currently offline. Okay, so we got GT 1660 Super. That was the first one. It's already set on medium. This is the second one, already set on medium. The third one, set on medium. Okay. This is not recognizing the fourth one. We're gonna get back to this because we should have 4. It's not recognizing the fourth one. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's a CPU. It's not recognizing the fourth one. It's on, but it's not recognizing it. Light hash. Let me see. Started mining successfully. Should automatically be on. Give us a second. Look, I got 5 miners online. I guess make sure you connect to your internet. I guess my internet went offline or something. I wasn't connected to Wi-Fi. But I got back online, so now here we go. Alright, so now we're going to go to rig devices. And now we have, this is the CPU mining. It's running mining Monero. You get your first 1660 super, second 60 super, third 1660 super, and then this is the fourth one that we just set up. But we want to make sure, we need to, let's make sure we need to set this up. So let's go to, here, rig devices. I want to set these up. Enable CPU, enable. Okay, here we go. This one's on medium. Optimize. Look at that one. Optimize. So we got to optimize this one. Okay. So this is the new one right here. Okay, this is the new one. We want to click and so if you see here, the fans 55%, 70%. So let's click optimize here, and we just want to click it on medium, and that's really it. Okay, optimize successful, and let's take a look. So this one is mining also 31.39 hash rate. They're all mining about the same. So that's it. So now they're all set on medium, and that's all you have to do, and that's really about it. So now, hopefully, you know, we're obviously going to be making more money. So we'll see as time goes on. We're going to see what we're actually mining. Let's see if this gives us an update or history stats. See if this gives us anything just yet. Okay. Let's see, you know, this is now kind of saying that we would be at almost $8 profitability. Well, that says weekly. No, that's not correct. Monthly. Sometimes this is kind of off. But let's take a look at this. Let's see, payment history. Gotta take a look at this. Should say give us a daily, but right now I'm probably doing about $1.80 per each one per day. So let's call it 2, 4, 6, 8, $8 a day. At this rate, you know, maybe it's a little bit less. Let's call it like 720, 740 daily. And so now I'll need 2 more graphics cards to complete the 6, and this miner's complete, and then we'll move forward from there. But all right, guys, really appreciate it. Thanks for taking the time to watch these videos. Hopefully you learned something. If you have any questions, or you know, you have any suggestions on, you know, where to get more graphics cards, or what graphics cards are the best. But it seems, you know, seems to be working. The ones that I'm using right now, the 1660s for the price. Sometimes you get them for 600, sometimes 5 something, plus the tax and everything. But anyways, all right, guys, thanks again. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.